Hey guys, and welcome. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell if I can English tonight.
What's English?
It's supposed to be my native tongue. I have no clue at this point. But don't forget to check me out on TikTok, and down below is also my link to that, a link to Grace's TikTok and her channel, in which case I'm also with her right now.
Hi y'all. She hasn't gotten rid of me yet.
I never can. Yeah,
Like always.
of course. Oh.
Y'all missed it. I caught her in my mind again.
So if you want to catch that moment where she catches me in her head, go check her channel out. It's down below.
Anywho, we did a Dollar Tree shop. We went to not Dollar Tree. Wow.
Well, we went to Five Below, Marshall's, and then Family Dollar, and that order.
Not Family Dollar. Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree.
You do that every time we're talking about Dollar Tree. You say Family Dollar. Or if we're doing a video about Family Dollar, you call it either Dollar Tree or Dollar General.
I don't know why I do it. In my head, I'm thinking,
What the hell is on my wall?
Where?
By the door.
Probably a dust bunny.
Look at it. It keeps moving.
The fuck is that? It's gotta be a dust bunny, the way it's moved.
Okay, we're distracted. Anywho, we went to Five Below, and I saw this, and I showed it to her, and she's like, "Ooh, that would be a great video." So,
Another instant when I was in her head.
hey, I was in your head too when we did the headphones.
That is true. Yeah. You were.
You're like, "Ooh, would my dad like these?" Or you're thinking about yourself or whatever. And I was like, "Ooh, that would be a great video." And you're like, "Shut up, get out of my damn head." Yeah, we should do a whole video of us catching each other in each other's mind.
We need to do it like I was saying, like day in our life, like, because that's one way to ensure we catch it on video.
Oh yeah.
That one, you catch it on yours, it was just sheer luck.
95% of the time, I don't have my phone. I have my phone in my hand, but I don't have my camera rolling.
Yeah.
But anyways, so I'm just gonna reach in and grab one. Reach your hand in and grab one. Shut up. Woo! Oops.
You start. That was literally the first thing I started doing was squeezing it.
This is like a stress ball. I grabbed.
I got the hamburger.
Oh! That smells like straight up like plastic or oil.
Yeah, I think a mixture of the both.
Smell that one.
Ooh.
Anywho, let me stop playing with it and show y'all. Shut up. Get out of my head.
I was just thinking it. It also doesn't help that I heard that noise was happening last night. Just when you do that, watch the straw.
Whose size does that remind you of? You know what I'm talking about?
For me, it reminds me of.
Huh?
Of my kitty.
Baby daddy.
It's got a weird inside.
They're bowls.
See, you can kind of see it. Look. But real quick, it's got a wacky water bead cola. This is what she's got.
And then she got the hamburger.
That feels so wrong in my hands. And then the last one that's in there.
Where's the beads?
That's
Ugh. Look at that. Oh, is this the sand one?
That's the fidget, flour, and water. Wada. That reminds me of a TikTok. Someone on TikTok. So that just leaves this last.
That's a hamburger.
And then the fry one is squeezy sand. It's like beach jam, but it's a little deformed now because I just got done messing with it. But it kind of like reminds me of like as a kid from like the homecoming parade that we have here. As a kid, like they used to have.
It's literally coming out of it.
Is it? Oh, it is. But it reminds me of like as a
It's
kid.
literally coming out of it.
Damn. But like those.
Like, see?
They would like put this sand in a balloon and then.
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
And that's what that reminds me of.
It's the French fries. Disformed. As you guys can see in the bottom, there's sand. I don't like that one.
Neither do I. I'm having too much fun with this.
It says 3 and up. This one's supposed to be what?
That's the fidget, flour, and water.
There ain't no water in this.
That's what I'm saying.
There ain't no... It sounds like water's in that one.
Yeah, and this is the wacky water bead. I think it's like those Orbeez that got soaked in water.
But anyways.
Tell me why I was tempted to put that straw in my mouth.
I don't know.
The life of having ADHD and ADD.
I got that on video. Imagine Clayton playing with these.
Oh God. Alright, just feel the straw. Does that feel? It feels wrong to me.
Look.
I will say these toys
That's what's in there.
are cheaply made.
Yeah, because that should not be happening.
No, and this one literally has sand coming out of it. That's sticky.
Okay, out of this one and this one, which one do you like?
I kind of like the cola. It just said fuck you.
Alright, that's pretty much it of this video.
At this point, we're just
playing with them at this point. It kind of this one reminds me of a stress ball. You never know, you might see me at work and be like,
Ooh, yeah.
Anywho, that's pretty much it of this video. Until next time,
Peace out.